All right, folks, we've had some questions about using Clever login with iPads and Chromebooks. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial. I've got a sheet here of QR codes. That's what the students will now use to log in. So we'll use Clever on the iPad first. On the iPad, you're using an app. If the app isn't there, you can use the Meraki thing. We've deployed this app to all iPads, but if you don't see it, sometimes you got to go into the Meraki MDM here, go to apps and tell it to install. But let's launch Clever, and you'll see this little screen comes up here with basically a camera looking for you to scan something. I'm going to take the QR code paper and wave it in front just to trigger somebody, which it will once I get alignment there somewhere. Assuming lighting is also not an issue. Okay, lighting's going to be an issue. There, it got one. Man, that was a little long, but it's a little dark in here. All right, so it's logging you in. All right, it's going to show me whoever this student is and show me the apps he has available. Right now, Mayan's the only thing we're using. We're going to click Mayan. Now, it's passing the login information over to Mayan. That's why it says logging you in. Now, while the student is here, typically before you would have used the red X to log the student out up in the corner there. We're not doing that anymore. You'll notice up at the top here you have done. Done is what we want to do because that's going to get us back to the Clever screen. And we want to select the student and log them out. And now we're ready to take on the next student. Now it's asking us for another badge. So you don't want to use the Mayan logout. You want to use the Clever logout. So again, we'll try that one more time just to see how it goes. Hopefully it won't fight with me nearly as long as it did last time. I know the lighting in here is not very good. Okay, got somebody. Logging in, so I'll probably have a different student unless I scan the same code, which I might have. All right, again, Mayan. This is going to send that user on to Mayan. Logging you in. Okay, we're not going to use the red X in Mayan to log out. We want to use the done up here, that's telling Clever we're done with Mayan. We want to go back to the portal. We have to log out the student from here. Okay, that's on the iPad. Okay, it should take me back to the QR code, which it does. So that's the iPad. Chromebook. Chromebook, we need to use the one of two things. You either go to the district website, you go to resources, and Clever Login is right here on the left-hand side in caps right now, so you can't miss it. Chromebooks can also go up to the bookmarks here, and you can also find it in there, Clever Login. All right. Either way, it takes you same place. We want to go to the Clever Login. All right. So if you're a staff member or student 5th through 8th, you're going to use Login with Active Directory, which is very similar to Office 365 email. It's going to take you to the very same screen. It's going to show you this. You know, we've all seen this before, ADFS, right? Same screen. If you're a K4 student and you have a QR code, you're going to use the badge login. So we're going to demonstrate that same thing with the badge login. So it's going to pop up a camera here. Again, hopefully lighting doesn't kick me too bad. All right, fine. It picked up somebody already. Good. All right. So same situation, right? It looks a little bit different, but the interface is generally the same. We're going to click Mayan. I'm clicking Mayan like I'm on an iPad. That was pretty funny. We're going to click it, not touch it with our finger. And here we are logged into Mayan. So again, here we don't have done because we're not operating inside of an iPad app. On a Chromebook, we just have to go back to the Clever tab up here. You'll see the Clever, when you're done with Mayan, close it out, head back over to the Clever tab, which is still running, and log the student out again. Same thing. The student has to log out of Clever, not of Mayan. And this will also hold true as we start adding other services in here. So remember, Clever is the log out you need to be concerned with, not the service. So no more logging out of Mayan. You can do it, but it doesn't have any real value. They're going to get logged out when they log out of Clever anyway. So any more questions? Let me know. Thanks. Bye.